Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account on the device you'll use. Make sure it's the same account linked to Fortnite. Next, add a payment method, card, PayPal, or a Microsoft gift card, because the store needs a valid funding source to complete the purchase. Also, check region and currency settings, match your Epic Games account to avoid blocked purchases. Once those essentials are done, you're ready to open the Microsoft Store and search for the correct Vbucks bundle. Open the Microsoft Store and search for Fortnite Vbucks or navigate from the Fortnite product page. You want the official bundle. You should compare bundles to check the $ per Vbucks value and whether a pack includes additional items. Make sure you select the correct platform delivery, console or PC, and that the purchase will go to the account currently signed in. Once you choose the bundle, click Buy and confirm the payment method. The store will prompt you through authorization and review screens. Confirm the purchase and follow any on-screen redemption steps. Sometimes Vbucks deliver instantly to your Fortnite wallet. Other times you receive a redeemable code in your Microsoft order history. Once complete, launch Fortnite and check your Vbucks balance in the main menu to confirm delivery. If Vbucks don't appear, make sure your Microsoft and Epic accounts are linked correctly, retry the purchase or payment method, and contact Microsoft support with your order ID. That single step usually resolves most delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.